This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need the card code and a signed-in account. Start now. First, scratch or copy the 1216 character code exactly. Caps matter. Next, sign into Roblox on your preferred device so the redemption binds to your account. Once done, open the Redeem Gift Card page from the Roblox menu or App Store entry. Make sure your account meets age or parental controls. If a parent account is required, have them sign in to redeem for you before moving on. Now you enter the code and complete the redeem flow. Carefully type or paste the code into the Redeem Code field, no extra spaces, and maintain case. After you submit, choose how to apply the credit, Robux or Premium Membership credit depending on available options. This matters because Robux purchases are immediate, while membership applies as recurring credit. Confirm the transaction and wait for the on-screen success message. Your balance should update right away, so you can use funds immediately. Finish by verifying the added funds or membership on your account settings and in your Robux balance. If you don't see credit, re-enter the code slowly and confirm you used the correct account. Regional or already redeemed codes are common issues. Once done, use the purchase history to track the transaction, and if needed, contact Roblox support with the code and receipt details. Make sure to check parental restrictions or billing holds, resolving those off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.